This is Marilyn Kramer from Mills Ford and Brainerd Baxter. You are looking at a 2008 Ford Taurus. It is a limited model. It's Merlot in color. Stock number on it is 1U100379. It has a little over 57,000 miles on it. It is the limited version. Beautiful car. Very classy car. I'll show you some tires here. Once again, it's Marilyn Kramer from Mills Ford and Brainerd Baxter. Stock number is 1U100379. 2008 Ford Taurus limited model. Hey, guess what? Look at here. Tabs aren't due until August of 2011. Yippee skippy. It's got mud flaps on the back here. Keypad on the door so you'll never lock yourself out again. It has leather seats. It has memory driver's seat, excuse me. You have 6-disc CD changer, dual temperature control, heated front seats, 6-disc CD changer. You're going to have a moonroof in here. Open that up. Great to see the moon, sun, whatever you want to see. Universal garage door opener. This one also has the Ford hands-free media system, so you can pair your Bluetooth compatible phone to the car and make phone calls out and get phone calls in. Wonderful feature, great for safety. You're also going to have adjustable pedals for people with short legs like me. Once again, I'm Marilyn Kramer from Mills Ford and Brainerd Baxter. Would love to take you for a ride in this beautiful car. Send you home in it.